Okay, I'll show you here. It's a 2006 FZ6. Got about 6,000 miles on it. I'm kind of letting you see everything on it. It's pristine, totally clean. No damage on it except for a tiny little nick you can see about right here and here. And that's it. It's from where the previous owner, I guess, it just dropped it once. But as you can see, it almost did almost no damage to it if you look at it real close. That's it. But other than that, she's in pristine shape. Runs like a top. I'm going to let you see the readout here, so you can see exactly how many miles are on it. Full digital readout. Just cracked over 6,000. Turn signals on. And I guess now the last thing to do is just fire it up, let you hear it run. So, you know, look here, it's just a Two Brothers exhaust, aftermarket. They run about anywhere from $600 to $800. And oh, and the Bellypan. This is something Yamaha doesn't even make these anymore. So it's a brand new Bellypan. I just put it on. Bought it right before they quit selling them. Okay, let me run it up for you a little bit. As you can see, runs like a top, rides perfect, basically just like brand new. Any more questions, just email me at jwattsmarine@gmail.com. That's marine like water. jwattsmarine@gmail.com, and contact me at 316-323-5047. Thank you very much.